Just to let you know a little bit about the glacier. The glacier is old, between 12,000 year old and 20,000 year old.
Wow.
And when we stopped 3 years ago to come in the ice cave, that completely old area was in existence. Was nothing here. And the ice cave was about 1,200 feet longer than right now what it is.
Wow.
And it was 3 tunnels. Now we have only one, but it's a huge one and big.
Wow.
And gonna be the last year.
Oh, really?
At the end of June is finished.
Yeah, no more ice cave. But this collapses.
Okay guys, so we're here in the ice cave and it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's unbelievable. I was just telling Dénis that sometimes in interviews people ask me, what was the best helicopter ride you've ever done? And I've done a lot of fun helicopter rides, but this one is so far the most amazing one. Okay guys, we are leaving the ice cave. Gosh, it was so beautiful. Now we can follow our steps, so it's a little easier than when we came in.
Just wait up the top for you guys.
And our beauty is there waiting for us.
When you're gonna have 10,
Okay.
you like that, you pull till you heard the fire in the can.
Mm-hmm.
You stop, and we're gonna check where we are, and maybe I'm gonna help you with my hand on the back.